Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get merchant contracts in Windrose. Now the first thing that you have to do is pretty much find some of the factions that are friendly towards you. For example right here, the Rogue Buccaneers main base, or even the Smugglers of Port Royal main base. Any of these factions should contain a merchant's contract from one of their provisioners. For example right now, I'm just going to the Rogue Buccaneers because they have one. Now once you've reached this island, go to the provisioner right here. And once you've reached a reputation of at least level 2 for the Rogue Buccaneers, you'll be able to buy the merchant contract right here that includes animal products. Now before you do buy this contract, make sure to read the description below of what's currently available on the very first tier all the way until you meet some certain conditions from where you can buy just about anything from that merchant. Now this will cost you at least 100 piastre right here as you can see from the bottom, but these are pretty easy to get. Once you have 100, just press down space to buy it. And once it's in your inventory, you are now allowed to construct a merchant building that can ship various resources directly to your base for a certain amount of the coins that you use. And once you go into your building mode, you should be able to find the merchant right here that you just unlocked. And now once again, it does require the contract that you just bought. And this merchant right here is the one that I bought. Once I press E to talk to him, he should have some available orders right here depending on the price that I'm willing to exchange. And that's pretty much about it on how to get merchant contracts in Windrose.